Morning students of class 4. Today I am going to teach the social study of class 4. The chapter's name is The Face of Our Country. The students, as you know that India is a vast country. Our country India is occupied the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country in the world. Our country India is located in Asian continent. In the south part of the Asia, the India is located. The three sides of India. See that one? The map of the India. It is the map of the India. The three sides of the India that is covered by the oceans and sea. That one, here see that this is the western part. Here is Arabian Sea. This is the eastern part. Here is Bay of Bengal, and it is the southern part. In the south, the Indian Ocean is located, and the northern part from here to here it is covered with the Himalaya mountains. Now, our country, we can say that our country is also called the peninsular country because the part of our country has covered with the three part of the sea and oceans. Now, northern part is covered with the Himalaya. In the south is the Indian Ocean, western part is the Arabian Sea, and eastern part is the Bay of Bengal. Our country is known as the peninsular because its three sides is covered by the water bodies. Now, the India has 28 states and 9 union territories, and our neighboring country of India is Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan. These are our neighboring country of India. Now, our India is very big country, and it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Now, it is the questions now arising. Now, how can you maintain the India? The Delhi is the capital of India, and it is called a center point, and the government who is ruled over the Delhi, they are look after all the situation of our country and 28 states. That is called the central government, and the central government look after every things of our country. And today India 28 states has the different political parties ruling there, and all the state governments take the positions to carry their states. Also, they obey the rules which is made by the central governments. Now, we are Indians, and we have to obey all the rules and regulation of our country to save the country. Now, students, I am giving some of the questions. So you can do it here. Now see that. First question is, What is the name of our country? Second question is, in which continent our India is located? Which water bodies are located in the southern part, eastern parts and western part of India? In which side of India the mountain Himalaya is located? Why India is called the peninsular country? These are the questions, and all the questions you can write in your copy.